Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change the color of table border lines in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change the color of table border lines in Google Docs, open the Google Docs and create the table which you want to customize by changing color of table border lines. Now select the table and then right click on the table and use the scroll bar, and then you will find here table properties. Click on table properties. Under table properties you will find color. Expand the color, and here you will find the table border, and this one is the table border size. I am not changing the size, and this one is table border color, and black is selected here. Just click on the drop down menu here and change the color. I am changing the table border color to red. Select red from here, and look, the table border color has been changed in my Google Docs. This is the easiest way to change the table border line color in Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.